The sun has shaped everything we know, but compared to what awaits us, this is only the beginning. Here, Earth would spend its days beneath a dim crimson sky. Alnilam, one of the brilliant stars of Orion's belt, shines hundreds of thousands of times brighter than the sun. Here, daylight would feel almost overwhelming. Only a few miles across, yet more massive than the sun. One of the largest stars ever discovered. If it replaced our sun, its surface would extend beyond the orbit of Saturn. From Earth, it would dominate the sky. The Helix Nebula is the glowing remains of a dying star. From here, the night sky becomes a breathtaking tapestry of expanding cosmic gas and light. Here, our galaxy would become a distant spiral suspended in the sky. Two massive blue stars dancing around each other. Every sunrise and sunset would be unlike the last, beneath the light of two brilliant suns. The most active stellar nursery in our galactic neighborhood. At the heart of the Andromeda Galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, with over 100 million times the mass of our Sun. From a safe distance, its immense gravitational lensing would distort the stars behind it, while its glowing accretion disk transformed the sky into something almost impossible to comprehend. This black hole ranks among the largest black holes ever found. Its event horizon alone stretches across a region larger than our entire solar system. Though fictional, Gargantua remains one of the most scientifically accurate black holes ever portrayed in cinema. Its extraordinary appearance comes from extreme gravitational lensing, bending light itself into a breathtaking illusion. OJ287 contains two black holes locked in an immense orbital dance. One is so massive that the smaller companion repeatedly plunges through its accretion disk, producing colossal bursts of energy visible across billions of light years. Ton 618 is among the largest black holes humanity has ever discovered. With tens of billions of times the Sun's mass, its accretion disk alone could swallow our entire solar system many times over. Standing beneath it, the sky itself would cease to feel real.